Sometimes we need to add new layers to our projects, so if you want to do it, I will show you one really simple method that I recommend you to use. Okay, so first we need to do is go to the left upper corner and click on layer. The simplest of the method is go to add layer or use Shift Ctrl N, but in my opinion the best option to manage and add layers is layers and objects. We need to click on this one option and you will see here a list of all available layers. You can manage them, you can add or remove layers. So if you want to add a new one, you need to click on add layer button. It will let you to create a new layer. And here you need to type a layer name. So for example, I have here layer 2. And here you can change position of layer. We have here three options: above current, below current, or as sublayer of current. On default, position is above current, but of course you can change it. Everything depends on your preferences. Okay, and after that you can click add layer, and like you see, a new layer has been successfully added here. But if you would like to add any objects or text to this layer, you need to select this layer, and then you need to go, for example, to rectangle tool and draw here a new object. After that, you will see that your object has been successfully added to layer 2, and it's how it works. And it's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. If you have any questions, include them in comment. And that's all. Thank you for watching.